Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into creating a beautiful top-down design, specifically a top-down video game with an aesthetic feel similar to games like Hyper Light Drifter, Stardew Valley, or Moonlighter. I'll cover the key elements, artistic considerations, and provide code examples, mostly in Python with pygame, a popular 2D game library. This will be a detailed guide, so be prepared for a comprehensive journey. Defining the gandang-ganda aesthetic and game concept. Before we even touch code, let's nail down what makes this gandang-ganda beautiful, delightful design tick. This is about more than just pixel art, it's about mood, color, and feeling. Color palette asterisk. Think of muted colors, but with intentional pops of vibrancy. Consider palettes that are earthy or slightly desaturated, then punctuated by bright, almost glowing accents. Think of color schemes often found in traditional Filipino fabrics and art. Examples. Base grays, browns, desaturated greens, beiges. Accents turquoise, vibrant orange, crimson, emerald green, gold. Use sparingly. Glow pale blues, yellows, whites, for magical effects, light sources. Pixel art style not strictly necessary, but often a great choice for this aesthetic. Keep the pixel size moderate, not too large and chunky, but not so small that it looks like a blurred mess. Focus on clear silhouettes and readable character/object designs. Consider using a limited color palette even within the pixel art itself. Think of the classic SNES/GBA era games for inspiration. Top-down perspective The classic top-down, or slightly isometric, view is key. It gives a sense of overview and allows for intricate environments. Be mindful of how you handle depth. Overlapping sprites and shadows will be critical. Animation smooth animations are essential. Even if it's pixel art, strive for fluidity. Think of a slight bobbing motion as the character walks, a satisfying squash and stretch when they hit something, and subtle particle effects for magic or attacks. Sound design This is huge. Ambient sounds, wind, crickets, water flowing, carefully chosen music, think ethereal, melancholic, or uplifting depending on the area, and satisfying sound effects for actions will make or break the atmosphere. Story and setting, optional, but important. If you're building a game, think about the narrative element. Is it a peaceful village simulation? A mysterious adventure? A combat-focused dungeon crawler? The visuals should support the story. A setting rooted in Filipino mythology, folklore, or history could add a unique layer of ganda. 2. Basic game structure, pygame example. Let's set up a basic pygame framework. Explanation of the code 1. Initialization pygame is initialized, the screen is created, and colors are defined. 2. Player class a simple player class is created. It has a basic movement system. 3. Sprite groups pygame uses sprite groups to manage multiple game objects efficiently. 4. Game loop the heart of the game. It handles events, like key presses, updates game logic, and renders everything to the screen. 5. Drawing order crucial. Draw elements in the order you want them to appear on screen. Background first, then sprites, then UI elements, etc. 6. Accent details the code now includes a loop for drawing small particles of an accent color. This provides a little bit of sparkle and ganda. 3. Level design and tiling. Top-down games rely heavily on good level design. Here's how to approach it. Asterisk tile sets. Asterisk create sets of square tiles that can be combined to build your level. These tiles should include asterisk ground tiles, grass, dirt, stone, etc. Asterisk wall tiles. Asterisk water tiles. Asterisk object tiles, trees, rocks, buildings. Asterisk tile map editor. Asterisk using a tool like Tiled, free and open source, or Pixel Edit, paid, is highly recommended. These allow you to visually create levels by placing tiles. Asterisk loading tile maps. Asterisk your code needs to load the tile map data from the editor and draw the tiles accordingly. Libraries like pytmx can help with this. Code example, loading a tile map with pytmx. First, install pytmx. Explanation of the pytmx code. Asterisk 1. Install pytmx asterisk, see above. 2. Load tile map asterisk. pytmx.tiledmap, loads the tiled.tmx file. Make sure the path is correct. 3. Load tile set asterisk. This function loads the tile set image and creates a dictionary associating GIDs, tile IDs, with the respective tile images. 4. Render tile map asterisk. This function iterates through the layers of the tiled map and draws the tiles onto a pygame surface, which is then blitted to the screen. 5. Create tile map surface asterisk. A pygame surface is created, sized to fit the entire tile map. 6. In-game loop asterisk. The tile map surface is then blitted, drawn, onto the main display surface before any sprites. Important notes for tiled asterisk. Asterisk export as .tmx asterisk. Save your tile map in tiled as a .tmx file. Asterisk embed tile set asterisk. In tiled, under map properties, make sure the embed tile set option is unchecked unless you have a very specific reason to embed it. This tells tiled to refer to an external image file. Asterisk correct paths asterisk. Double check that the path to your tile set image file in tiled is correct relative to where your .tmx file is located. Asterisk layers asterisk. Use layers in tiled effectively. Put ground tiles on one layer, objects on another, and so on. This allows you to easily control the drawing order. Asterisk transparency. Make sure that transparency is enabled in the tile set in tiled. 4. Enhancing the visuals, and ganda touches. This is where we really make it shine. Asterisk lighting and shadows asterisk. Asterisk simple shadows asterisk. Draw slightly darker, offset versions of your sprites to create a basic shadow effect. This adds depth. Asterisk light sources asterisk. Simulate light sources by drawing semi-transparent circles or squares of light around torches, windows, etc. Use blending modes, example pygame.blend_add, to create a glowing effect. Asterisk shadow casting asterisk. More advanced, trace rays from light sources to determine which objects block the light, creating dynamic shadows. This is more computationally expensive. Asterisk parallax scrolling asterisk. Make background layers move at different speeds than the foreground to create a sense of depth. Asterisk particle effects asterisk. Asterisk smoke, sparks, dust, leaves falling, these add a lot of life to the scene. Asterisk use simple particles for magic effects, explosions, or atmospheric details. Asterisk post-processing effects, use sparingly. Asterisk bloom asterisk makes bright areas glow more intensely. Asterisk color grading asterisk adjust the overall color tones of the image to create a specific mood. Asterisk vignette asterisk darkens the edges of the screen to draw the eye to the center. Code example, Simple shadows. Code example, simple particle system. V polish and detail. Asterisk animation states asterisk. Asterisk implement different animation states for your player, idle, walking, running, attacking, etc. This makes the character feel more alive. Asterisk UI/HUD asterisk. Asterisk create a clean and stylish UI to display health, mana, inventory, and other important information. Asterisk consider using a font that fits the aesthetic. Asterisk sound effects and music asterisk. Asterisk choose sounds and music that complement the visuals and create the desired mood. Invest in good sound design. Asterisk juice asterisk. Asterisk small details like screen shake, particles on impact, and camera zooms can add a lot of juice to your game, making it more satisfying to play. Asterisk screen transitions asterisk. Asterisk fade in/out when changing scenes or levels. This creates a smoother experience. 6. Filipino cultural integration, optional but impactful. Asterisk mythology and folklore asterisk incorporate creatures, deities, or stories from Filipino mythology into your game. Asterisk traditional art styles asterisk study traditional Filipino art forms and adapt elements into your pixel art or environment design. Asterisk language asterisk use Tagalog, or another Filipino language, for character dialogue, item names, or location names. Asterisk music asterisk feature traditional Filipino instruments or musical styles in the soundtrack. Asterisk story asterisk tell a story that explores themes relevant to Filipino culture, such as family, community, or resilience. Key takeaways asterisk. Asterisk plan your aesthetic asterisk define your gandang-ganda vision before you start coding. Asterisk use a tile map editor asterisk it will save you a ton of time. Asterisk drawing order matters asterisk get the order right for correct layering. Asterisk focus on detail asterisk the small details make a big difference. Asterisk iterate and experiment asterisk don't be afraid to try new things and refine your approach. Asterisk consider cultural references. Adding Filipino cultural elements can make your game truly unique and special. This is a lengthy but thorough guide. Start with the basics and gradually add more features. Good luck, and I hope you create a truly Ganda game. Let me know if you have more specific questions as you progress.